Hi, welcome to my very first vlog. I really enjoy making videos and recording everything. I hope you love the video as much as I do. Nothing makes me happier than when I'm able to travel again. I managed to book a 6-week vacation to sunbathe, have lots of fun, and visit my boyfriend to one of the most beautiful islands in the world. My best friend Ruth brought me to the airport. We had a coffee together, laughed, and said our goodbyes. This is a place I'm pretty familiar with. I was an au pair here for a year and a half, so it always feels like coming home. I had a layover in San Francisco, so I spent the night in a hotel, did a quick Target run, and flew to Oahu the next morning. I forgot my AirPods back at home, so I had to buy some new ones at the airport. Right after landing, Foster picked me up from the airport. We dropped off my suitcases at home and we had some lunch at Kalapaway. We went back home and I took a nap, followed by a nice dinner with some friends to close off a great first day. We started our day off at Island Vintage Coffee with some great breakfast. Foster chose the lox bagel, and I had an avocado toast. We enjoyed the view while driving up east to meet up with some friends on the beach. We spent the whole afternoon here, laying on the beach, watching the waves, and we did some barbecuing. The next morning, we drove to Green World Coffee Farm to start our day off. The Green World Coffee Farm is located on the north shore of Oahu. They have a wide assortment of coffee beans and offer free samples. Next we arrived at Waialua Fresh Eggs. This is a cage-free local Hawaiian egg farm that's also located on the North Shore. We drove around Haleiwa and saw the cutest McDonald's. The rest of the afternoon we spent at the pool having a drink and swimming. Today I started my day off with a small walk to the gym. I worked out and spent the rest of the day at the pool again. Every day I wake up looking at this beautiful sunrise out of my window. I walked to the Target and did some groceries. We played ping pong at our pool, and as you can see, I'm definitely winning. We made some dinner together and watched Harry Potter for the rest of the night. This was the first episode of the Hawaiian Diaries. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you for watching.